Okay guys, creating a modifier and auto modifier. There's a few steps to this. So we'll get started. Obviously open up your back office system. And then what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to create your modifiers. So we're going to create items essentially for each modifier. So what we need to do is click on Add Modifier. When we load this up, obviously it automatically comes into a new modifier. And again, it depends what kind of we're looking for. You can either do, so many packs for tables, if it's 1 glass, 2 glass, for wine bottles, etc. Just chuck that in there. So make sure that you've got your modifiers added, and then also just make sure that when you'll see in a second on department, when you have that drop down, you make sure it's in something like food mods or drink mods, and they're obviously priced at 0 as well. Once you've done that, for this occasion we're doing celiac, just hit save. Don't worry about save and add to menu, because you're going to obviously add a few more items for you to move on to in a little bit. As you can see, they all show up on the left hand side as well, so you can add more, or you can edit them if, for example, you've spelled them wrong, etc. Okay, so the next bit is putting them into a list. So we're actually going to go into add sublist like we did before. Obviously it opens up to a new one, but you can click on new. Let's make sure that we put the correct name in. This occasion, again, we're going to do allergens. Put your title in. And then always make sure you select here on auto modi, just so it doesn't come up as a sublist, it comes up as an auto modifier. On the right hand side, you'll see here you've got modifiers there from what we created earlier. And again, you can search for these and just drag them across as well. Important here, guys, as well, to make sure that it's all set out nice and neatly and it's easy to navigate from the front of house perspective. So again, once you've done that, I'm just going to show you one that we've done previously here. That's all set up, ready to go. And again, like I said, hit save, and that's your auto modifier list set up. Moving on to stage 2, what we now need to do is we need to make sure that the auto modifier list is applied to a menu item. So as previously done, we've set up menu items and we want to make sure that this is selected. So for example here, we want to auto modifier to flash up on our tacos. So what we do under here is we just search for our taco, whichever one it may be. There's a few already set up, so this example, let's just pick banoffee taco. As you can see here, on the right hand side, you've got all your auto modifier lists as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to punch in which one you want, so in this occasion allergen, and you're just going to drag it across here. Once you've done that, make sure you hit update and close it out. And if you need to go back in, guys, and edit anything, then obviously on the home screen you've got your auto modifier and your add modifier, where you can go in and edit, add new items and edit lists. Last thing then is opening up your front office and just double checking that the prompt comes up as soon as you select it. Alright, that's it.